You've been hacked. But you don't know it. You're still browsing, checking emails, finishing that last task for the day. But what if I told you, the moment you click that link or open that file, something changed? They're in, and your system is no longer yours. Once inside, the hacker doesn't strike immediately. Why? Because the most dangerous hacks aren't loud, they're silent. They wait, watching, learning everything about you before making their move. They now have access to your entire life, your financial data, your passwords, your personal messages, all at their fingertips. But they don't just steal it, not yet. First, they'll use it to build a detailed profile of you. Who you are, what you do, where you go. With the right data, they can mimic you. Log into your bank account, transfer funds, max out your credit cards. But they won't stop there. No, they've just scratched the surface. One transfer here, another there, small amounts at first, just enough to go unnoticed until your accounts are drained. And it doesn't stop with your data. Your privacy is next. That webcam on your computer, it's theirs now. They watch, record, and listen. Every conversation, every room you walk into, private moment, it's all being captured. You're no longer alone in your own home. You just don't know it yet. Then comes the back door, a secret way back into your system, even after you think you've removed the threat. With this backdoor in place, they can return whenever they want, undetected, and take control again. It's like a thief who has a key to your house, coming and going as they please, while you sleep soundly, unaware. But it's not just your computer they're after. The hack spreads. It jumps from your device to others on the same network. Your phone, your tablet, your smart home devices. And now, your entire digital life is compromised. They're not just taking over one system, they're taking over everything. Then they hit you with ransomware. Everything you own, your documents, photos, memories, locked away. You could try to fight back, but often there's no way out. Pay the ransom, and maybe, just maybe, they'll release your files. But what if they don't want your money? Maybe they want something else, your identity. Hackers can sell your personal information on the dark web, where it's auctioned off to criminals. Identity theft starts here. Your name, your social security number, your financial accounts, all sold to strangers who will use them to commit fraud in your name. And as your life spirals out of control, the hacker, they've moved on to their next target. You're left to pick up the pieces, wondering how everything fell apart so quickly. But it's not just individuals. Entire companies, cities, and governments fall victim to these silent takeovers. Corporate espionage, stolen trade secrets, disrupted power grids. Hackers are everywhere, and the moment they slip in, the damage begins. So what can you do? How do you fight back? How do you defend yourself when the threat is silent, the damage unseen, and the consequences devastating? So we're diving deeper into the world of cybersecurity, and trust me, you won't want to miss what comes next. Until then, stay alert, stay aware, and remember, the threat is closer than you think.